Hello everyone, happy Independence Day. I hope you are safe and healthy out there. This is Dikshita Bhoi and welcome to Top 10 EXO. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 10 Hollywood celebrities who came from absolutely nothing. So let's get started. While some celebrities were never any worse off and born into privilege and luxury, while the others were born into totally different circumstances. Some of the famous actors and singers whom we idolize today were born into extremely poor conditions and had to endure a lot before they could get their hands on the life's luxuries. So this is a list of 10 celebrities who came from absolutely nothing, and if this doesn't drive you to succeed and chase your dreams, I don't know what will. Sarah Jessica Parker's family relied on social welfare to survive. Sometimes things got so tight that they had to live without electricity and had to forego celebrating Christmases and family birthdays. One of the 8 siblings, Parker knew that her parents couldn't simply afford to house a family of that size and was often confronted with bill collectors at the door and the phone company ringing to cut the family phone lines. But Parker sang, danced, and acted her way out of what seemed like a dire situation and made a quiet name for herself. His family struggled financially, and as teenagers, Gary and his brother would work 8-hour shift after school as janitors and security guards at the tire factory his father was employed. On his 16th birthday, Gary dropped out of school and he began to perform comedy while continuing to work at the factory. Sometime later, his family became homeless and lived together in a Volkswagen van. It's seriously difficult to imagine Nicki Minaj any other way than she is now. Living in South Jamaica, Minaj has experienced her fair share of poverty and dysfunction. Her father was a drug addict and burned down the family house when she was just a child. Conditions were so bad for the family that she dreamed about becoming rich and famous just to financially support her mother. It didn't happen right away for Minaj, and after failing to have a successful acting career, she had to do jobs like waitressing and working in customer service. Born in an Austrian village in 1947, Schwarzenegger is actually the son of an abusive ex-Nazi who preferred his elder son. Not only was Schwarzenegger's father abusive towards him and provoked his brother to be the same way, the family didn't have much money. But Schwarzenegger used the harsh hand he was dealt to motivate him towards something better, and he developed a strict obsession with bodybuilding. Kelly Clarkson truly came from nothing. She grew up in a house which was falling apart and infested with cockroaches, and her family had hardly enough money to support her. Relying on food stamps, Kelly kept her focus on music career, which she wanted so badly, and moved to LA. While she was trying to make it, her apartment caught on fire. She had to live in a homeless shelter and out of her car for a while. Rather than giving up, Clarkson clung to her dream even tighter until it was firmly in her hands. She went on to become one of the most successful American Idol winners. The road to country music superstardom was long, tedious, and filled with hurdles for Shania Twain. Her parents split up when she was a toddler, and even after her mother remarried, the family was still poor. The relationship between her mom and her stepfather was incredibly violent, forcing the family to run away from him and take refuge in a homeless shelter. When she was 21, the time when most of our lives are just beginning, a car accident killed her mom and her stepfather, causing her to keep her dreams aside and raise her siblings. Twain recalls there not being enough food to share amongst her siblings and had to learn how to support herself by hunting and chopping her own wood. But all that pain caused Twain to turn to music and songwriting. Leonardo DiCaprio was comparatively very young when he got his Hollywood break. DiCaprio's early environment was packed full of criminals and other drug addicts. The poverty-stricken neighborhood where he lived exposed him to the ugly side of life at far too young an age. But according to DiCaprio, this situation taught him that he definitely did not want that kind of life for himself, and he got ambitious to get out of that situation. The talented Hilary Swank is another star who had to go through some pretty tough times before she could become an Oscar-winning actress. Swank was born into severely disadvantaged conditions, and she spent her early life growing up in a trailer park. To make matters worse, her father walked out on her mother, and her mother had to struggle to provide for the two children without the partner. Swank consequently dropped out of high school when her mother lost her job. They moved to California, and this time the family couldn't even afford an apartment for a living. Living in their car and sleeping on friends' living room floors, the family made it until Swank got her big break. This one is less surprising because Eminem has his autobiographical movie 8 Mile. Living with his single mother, Eminem grew up being shuffled between Michigan and Missouri before settling to Detroit. Though they settled in a lower middle class neighborhood, they always faced financial and other crises. Bullying was a constant issue. Even before getting to the stage, he was conquered by the tormentors. Born to a young, unequipped and unwed parents, Winfrey had a lot to deal with. She grew up on a pig farm in Mississippi before moving in with her mother, who was a hard-working maid but didn't provide much support and love for her daughter. Winfrey was then shuffled to Tennessee, where she lived with her daughter. But wherever she went during the youth, there were many people who made her life difficult, and there was always lack of money, food and other amenities. Believe it or not, but Winfrey was often dressed as a potato sack in her childhood. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are a new watcher, and also follow me on my Instagram page, which is Top 10 XO, wherein I post the top 10 content daily. I drum up new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Till we meet on next Wednesday.